Mm. We can start the webinar now. Firstly, I would like to wish a good evening to everyone and thank you for joining this section, that is the silent evolution in the CRM. And before I start into the topic, I for the better bandwidth, I'm turning off my camera. Before I start with the topic, I would like to introduce you some of them who don't know about the what is Zoho or what kind of Zoho applications they have. I want to give a glance or a quick overview of the Zoho and its product. Zoho is a company that was founded in the year 1996, the California, under the name AdventNet in USA, and it is recently rebranded as a Zoho Corporation in 2009. And Zoho CRM is a corporation. INC is a it means is a legal corporation. Uh, Zoho is a corporation, global technology company offering a 60 plus global applications for the productivity, for business productivity, CRM, finance, HR, operations, etc. No, it is popularly known for its privacy first approach and home ground technology stack. Zoho delivers tightly integrated, affordable software that helps the organization run their entire business on a unified and secured ecosystem. I hope you have what is Zoho now itself. Uh, Now I will give a glance before I start into the topic. Just a second, I will share my screen. Yes. Some of you might be know what is Zoho CRM. The people who don't know what is Zoho CRM, I will explain it. Zoho CRM is a sales related application and it is a powerful cloud based customer relationship management. CRM means customer relationship management. It helps the businesses capture leads, automate the sales process, manage the pipelines, and deliver personalized customer services. Along with it, there are few uh, like AI related activities it does, such as AI driven insights, good communication, like both way communication will be done, and a deep customization is also done. And next point is Zoho CRM enables teams to sell smarter, faster, and more efficiently in one unified system. We don't need to uh, popping up between the software. Instead we can use Zoho CRM under which comes in as a lead and it converts into a deal. This is just Zoho CRM. Uh, the the topic, the silent evaluation in CRM. Uh, some people thinks what is a topic related to. I will explain it. Like I have given the name for the top for this topic. Why means mm, Zoho did not change its version or did not change its feature. It like it have updated itself. That's why I've given a name like silent evaluation in Zoho CRM. Before I start, I would like to start with a story, a quick story. Last month, a sales team lost a valuable deal. Like we have lost a deal. Okay, think like this. Last month we have lost a deal. The reason is not about a person, not about this. The reason is uh, not because of its price or a competition, but the reason is Zoho's CRM did not talk back to me. Like the CRM did not tell which lead is uh, is potential to be converted into a deal. CRM did not talk to me. See how it sounds crazy, you know. Mm. And one more scenario is at with the same deal or deal, a ticket has been raised by the same customer just 2 days before the final negotiation. But the sales rep did not the sales department did not saw it. That's not a story about human error. It's a story about disconnected systems. Like the system is not connected between them. And that's exactly where we are today. To talk about how CRM everything changes the story completely is this section. Now comes in. As I said, a deal lost. This is aware. Why in this slide, the next slide is why traditional CRM are failing to identify or the previous there are two scenarios where the CRM fails to identify those errors or those potential areas for the improvement. For this, there are three solid reasons. Let's be honest. We have all tried, used, or who might not use CRM. You can explore the Zoho CRM. The those who used CRM that feels more like a data warehouse than the discussion partners. It's like a data warehouse where collections of data has been stored. It's not a place where higher authorities can make a decision. Traditional CRMs do three things really well. That is, they record what happened. They record what happened. They organize it neatly into the models. Once a record has been created, it is organized into a separate modules. There are different modules in the Zoho CRM, for example, deals, leads, accounts, mm, contacts, meetings, calls, which are integrated with other Zoho products or third party applications. And then they wait for us to make a sense of it. But here the problem is business today don't just need records. We don't need we don't want only the records, we need the context, right? No, when the department operates in the solids, in the models such as sales, support, marketing, finance, everyone sees the customer differently. The result, where is the result? like uh, the different departments works on different the different persons works on different departments. What's going in the sales will not be known to the department for the marketing. what the things going on in the sales and marketing will not be known to the finance. So how the same customer can be received for us more efficiently. Here's where we lost the intelligence, we lost the opportunities, as a company we lost the revenues. Like I love a line where a CRM is only as powerful as conversation is connects, not the field it stores. That's exactly where the revolution begins. It means a CRM only connects with the records, not to the fields it stores, the data actually it has. Okay. In the next slide, see, I have written a code there. The turning point from CRM to customer intelligence. See, I have defined something here. Zoho did not redesign the Zoho CRM. This is where I told in the beginning of the slide. Zoho did not update the Zoho CRM's version. Like if Zoho CRM has 1.0, it did not update to the 2.0. It redefined what CRM is, what the CRM can do the year as it is. Here is where Zoho everything comes in. Zoho everything is not a product upgrade. It's a connected intelligence layer that units the sales, marketing, finance, service into a single continuous experience. As I said in the previous slide, once a record has been submitted, a different person with the different departments will be dealing with those models, like those records. But in this, when the Zoho CRM, Zoho everything comes in, CRM comes in, the sales, marketing, finance, and service. This all the models are combined into, like there are different models, but they are connected together into a single continuous experience. Like one after the one, what happens in the one model will be known to the another model. There is a connection. Like the CRM talks back. Like this is all the sales has been appended. This is all marketing happens in the finance. Like everything is defined by the CRM, and a CRM tells us. Imagine uh, every team looking at the same customer story, as I said before, not through different sense or models, but through one shared reality. That's the turning point, this, the move from CRM to customer intelligence. For this example, I want to bring, like, I would like to give one more example. Like in our college days, or uh, in our college days, a custom like our teachers will be connecting. If there are 60 students in a class, they can't send a particular message to every student. What they were doing, they were creating a group called a specific. For example, if you are studying BCom, they were creating official BCom students 2002 2025 batch. In that group, they were sending all the messages related to that batch, like related to webinars, to workshop, everything will be sent. It's not like It is also done in other way, like we can send to each and every student, but it's not a good or uh, good practice. So the WhatsApp supports creating a group and sending uh, related messages to a specific students or specific customers. Has it it's a like the the part it might be relevant to the students or who are working professional, because we all crossed the stage, students, college, everything. For that I have said. And the next slide. See, a term, one unified foundation. See, there are 3 points I have highlighted here. One is data language. Second, next one is one truth. Next one is one workspace. Hey, at the heart of this ecosystem is what we call the unified foundation, and it's built based on 3 layers. Like CRM is built with based on this three pillars. Like I will not say 3 points. I will say these are the three pillars. The first one is the workspace. One workspace, a unified interface across all the department. Like each and every departments can connect into one workspace. And and the next pillar is one data language. It means a consistent architecture where the data speaks with the same language everywhere. See, if the lead is not potential in the deal lead model, it is not potential to the contact too. Like it will not speak different language or different context in different models. The same content will be there, but it will be spoken to different models, a same data or a same language. And the next pillar is one truth. It's a single source of customer reality. What next? Then that happens. Why the HR uh, stopped managing the records and started managing the relationship, powered a real-time intelligence. I think I should rephrase the sentence, or I will read, or I will explain this sentence again. There are three pillars. That's what happens here. Here, the managers or the person who use CRM will stop managing the records. They will be managing the relationship between the customers and the salesperson, the sales rep. Here is a place where the CRM intelligence or customer intelligence builds. Does not that sound like CRM we have all been waited for? Like there is a first scenario. I told there are two scenarios with different errors or different fault found. I hope that too has got a solution at this slide. Is it so? Yeah. Moving to the next slide. The intelligent journey. There are in a journey there are 6 steps. Okay, like how one deal flows across everything. Let's see what this looks like in real life. What intelligence journey looks into our life. Okay. This is when a lead signs up, like when a web is when a lead comes in. Really sorry for that. When a lead comes in or signs up, a visitor, like a lead or a customer comes in, is converted into a qualified prospect. In company words or terminologies, we say not the customers. We say those are the prospects. The Zia is a like there are multiple AI tools for such as ChatGPT, Gemini, uh, Nano Banana, etc. For Zoho, Zia is a AI tool. It predicts it is a AI assistant. Immediately predicts intent. It pulls the company data, reads its behavior signals, what are the like relevant data, and helps the sales reps to identify or prioritize those prospects. The sales team now sees the entire history, past tickets, billing data, interactions, even in the campaign engagements. This where the sales model comes in. And the next, I'm talking about this unified context. Okay. Next, marketing response. This one. The marketing model or the team responds right from the CRM with a contextual micro campaigns. Like sending a campaign, it might be a good example. Next, finance. Finance generates an invoice. If it is being converted into a deal, we can send an invoice to the prospects without leaving the system or without leaving the application. Next one is context preserved. It is a where we can also support, and they have full visibility on everything that what happened before. Like there will be a history, like what has happened before. Like Zia can predict the future, but it not be 100% true. No, like a past will be recorded. What has happened, when, who, everything will be recorded in the history. As I said, excuse me. See, it was a full of theory, no? Like I will give a few seconds or a few seconds. You can just read like whatever I have explained throughout this slide. I've given in a simple terms, so you can differentiate between a whole CRM versus a CRM everything. The first point is focus. The whole CRM focus only about the data entity, or it might be a to be specific, it is a record. The CRM everything will focus on decision intelligence. Next, automation. It's only about the CRM. Old CRM talks about only the task. What are the tasks? Here, context aware actions will be shown. Next point is view, like model by the model. Like each model will be uh, viewed in a like next to next UI. The top, it will be listed in the top. I will be showing you in the furthest shortly. And here, the unified customer lens it can be shown in Zoho everything. CRM Zoho CRM, everything. The integration, like there is an app to app integration in the whole CRM. The new or Zoho uh, CRM, everything. There is an ecosystem native. Like we can also connect to the third party applications. AI. The old CRM can only predict. CRM, everything can be conjugative. That is, ZIA 2.0 is also be used. I've written a quote down here. You can see how old CRM helped you to work faster. Like old CRM helps to work as the faster, but not the smarter way. All will be working faster, hard. All the peoples who work hard will not be succeeded in life. No, in real case, the people who work smarter and faster, both like if there are both, the the person success will be high. Next slide is like automation is good, but unified intelligence is a game changer. It means in the previous slide I said in the whole CRM is also supports the automations to the specific extent, but we don't we also need automations. More than that, we need a like the person who talks back or help us to make decisions. A intelligent person, like in real life it can't be done, so we can develop that. It's a unified intelligence. It's a like Zoho CRM, everything is a game changer. That's the point I am coming to see. Moving forward, uh, without losing the control, like we might be fear whole CRM is there, and now we can't how we can explore the CRM, everything. It will be okay. For that, migration is about switching the tools, like from one application to the another applications. It's about evaluating your operation. Like start with one process, leads or deals. Clean up your data, map your workflows. Let's learn your data, and you will see left not just in efficiency but in a clarity. I will explain this. Now I have a question. Do we have a do we have to start from scratch? Like in order to access the CRM, everything, we don't need to start from the scratch. This is where I have written here. Start with a small, or maybe with your lead or deal model. Okay, open the deal model, clean up all the data. Everything should be cleaned up. Clean up your data. Then let's learn your your data. Zia can you will soon see the lift, not just its efficiency. Because you are replacing your CRM, you are not expanding its intelligence. Now, the next slide. The silent evaluation has begun. There are three, because it's happening in the background, intelligence, connecting your entire business. This is what it needs. There are three words captured it all. Eval, connect, drive, retrieve. Sorry if I pronounce this word wrongly. First one is evolve. Move from data storage to intelligence decision making. Instead of storing only the data, move to an area where it can make decision. Next one is connect. Unity every touch points into one customer story. Retrieve. When not only just a deal, but in a relationship also lost. Is the last. The future of CRM is not about managing the customer better. It's about understanding them completely and to act according to their requirement. Before ending this slide, I will show you the difference between the CRM. See, this is a old CRM. I hope you are able to see my screen. This is a whole CRM. Like, I have said, like, models will be listed up in the top, and everything will be listed like this is a UI. It's look like something which is not in a good manner. It helps a lot, but it's not a good manner, or it's up with support with the high priorities. If you and the next one is this is a Zoho CRM everything. Like all the models, if you click on this, all the models will be listed out. Leads, contact. This is second is loading. If you go around us, it's a model. Like you can see all the models listed out here, and there are if you if you keep a cursor on that, it will say what its model name is. Like it's my request, and it's a marketplace. In the old CRM, if you want to go to the marketplace, you have to go into the settings. From settings, you have to go to the market, and you have to search here. But in CRM, everything we can directly move to this. And there is a feature called Zia, and you can also add any new contacts, and a calendar will be listed down here. Email will be connected. Notifications, as it's a real time notification, it will be listed out here, and everything will be same. But where the difference comes in, this CRM stock backs to me, but old CRM did not do that. Okay. Mm. Before I say the thank you, I will give you or WNs or drop message in chat or QA questions so that I can answer. It can like be a simple question or topic you don't understand. If you message, I will be explaining. Let me wait for a few seconds. I hope you don't have any questions. I will be the questions so you can answer. Enter whole and let me know how many of you really understood this. Okay, I got the answer. Before I close, I missed a topic or I missed a small topic. If you want to access the CRM for everything, if you are an admin or to CRM, you have to sign in for a trial plan. And when you sign in, for a pop-up button where you can see CRM for everything, get ready to experience an impressive update. You have to click on this access now, and it will CRM everyone will be updated here. Thank you for your valuable time, and I'm I'm eager to introduce me. Like I'm Divya from SPIKRA, working as a product consultant. If you have any doubt regarding this, or if you want a next video, a detailed video for the CRM everything, I will be if you write a comment or if you let us know, like I will be doing in the next web section.